Today was awesome. Went on for a long ride after so long. The sky looks so pretty today. I'll put up with some stories here for you to see. And after reaching home, I realized it was my turn for cooking dinner today. So I grabbed whatever I found in the fridge. Honestly, only had some mushrooms, so today I'll make two dishes out of them: honey garlic mushroom scallops and stuffed mushrooms. Here I'm chopping up some onions with garlic and chilies. We'll be needing them in both of the dishes. First up, I'll make the honey garlic mushroom scallops because I want the cheese from the stuffed mushrooms to melt in my mouth directly when I eat them, so I'll cook them later. Here in a small bowl, I'm saving up some onions, garlics and chilies because we'll be eating them later on in the process, so keep them aside. So today we'll be cooking with milky white mushrooms. If you don't know what a milky white mushroom is, then let me tell you that they are a kind of edible mushrooms with a biological name of Scallops indica. I have mentioned them on my previous video where I had made mushroom soup. I'll tag it here on top so you can go and have a look. I tried snapping the stems, but they are quite hard, so had to use a knife instead. While I'm cutting it, it's making such a weird noise. How do I explain? Have you ever cut a thermocol sheet with a knife? It's giving the same kind of vibe. It's funny though hearing such noises. I had no idea about what scallops were until in the recent years. Scallops are basically a kind of shellfish which look like this, and when you cut a mushroom stem in such a way, it resembles a scallop. I have never tried scallops but wish to do someday in near future for sure. Coat them lightly from one side so that when you sear them it gets a beautiful golden brown color and with a crispy texture. And be gentle with it because it will snap off just like that if you mishandle it like me. Okay, now probably should have used a smaller knife to coat the mushrooms because cutting them with a bigger one is quite a work. And when you are scoring the last of them in a pan, add some butter and let the pan heat slowly. Now adding in the garlic, chilies and onions which I had chopped earlier. Just when the garlic and butter is fragrant, place the scallops upside down and let it rest for some time before flipping it to get the golden brown color. Now adding in some chili oil for the extra spice. You can also skip this part if you wanted though. And also added the rest of those onions toss them nice and then add in some light soya sauce and honey, and it's almost done. Now let it sit for some time till the sauce is a bit sticky and then remove it from heat. For the stuffed mushrooms, firstly I prepared the stuffing. This has the previously chopped onions, chillies and garlics which we had set aside at the beginning. Now in that I have added some capsicums, some regular cheese spread and some mozzarella cheese with some salt, pepper and Italian spices. For the recipe, we will be needing only the mushroom heads. On a tray, place them and season them with salt and pepper, and one by one add in the stuffings. After this, there's not much to do. In a pan again add some butter and place the mushroom heads in the heat in such a way for almost 5 to 6 minutes. Now add in some seasonings if you please, and in between add some water to make them soft and moist. Now cover it up and let it steam. At this point it's done and ready to go in your belly. That's all for today. I hope you loved the video. If you did, do like and subscribe as well. See you soon. Till then, take care. Bye.